We're watching the kittens fight that we got. It's gonna be real funny.
Oh, they're so funny.
There's Snowy. Snowy's going over there. There's Rocky. Rocky's like, what is this thing?
Snowy's coming back.
Snowy's coming back. There's Snowy.
There's Snowy. Oh,
They're going in.
Here they come. They're gonna attack.
Rocky's just playing. Now Snowy's just sneaking up right behind there. Now Snowy. There's Snowy. Then, yeah, I got this. There's Snowy. Snowy's scared. Rocky was scared earlier, but Snowy is. Snowy's hiding behind there. There you go, Snowy.
Where's they going? Snowy's gonna sneak up on her.
Yep.
Oh, Rocky's ready though. Look at him.
Ooh.
Ooh, they're so cute.
There.
Look at him playing. Oh, that's awesome.
I'm gonna tell him something. One time we were watching them. They were on this chair. And Rocky was laying on their back like this, looking upwards, and Snowy was like on top, right in between here. So Rocky was like this, and Snowy was like that. And then Rocky slipped through upwards, and then Snowy did a flip downwards when they were playing. A couple nights ago. It was really funny. I started to laugh really hard. Oh. Oh. Ooh, Rocky. I'm screening it in kind of a little bit. So they can see a little better.
Pretty soon they're gonna go to sleep. Look at them.
They're using all of their energy.
Yeah. Pretty soon they'll be sleeping up on their chairs.
Yep. On this chair, probably, or yours.
Yep.
Or that one.
Yeah, that's the one they like sleeping on, that one.
Well, no, this one. Because they took your spot one time on that one. Oh my God. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Snowy wins. Oh my gosh. Oh. Rocky's down on the ground. Oh, now they're fighting. Now they're, they're there. Oh, they're shaking the box. Oh, there they are. They're fighting still.
I need a good video of it.
Okay. It's gonna be okay.
It's on YouTube, right?
Yeah. Should we do like a long video so it'd be funny?
We can do whatever.
Cause I'm gonna write the funny things that our kittens do. Oh, there's Snowy. Where's Rocky? Rocky's inside too. Oh, no, don't. Oh, Rocky's gonna push that. Oh, Rocky's gonna push it. Oh, no, she doesn't. Oh, there's,
Is that a good video?
I'm gonna do it till like 5 minutes. It's at 3.
Okay, yeah, keep going.
Oh, Rocky's on there.
Attack.
Oh, Rocky's looking under. Rocky. Snowy's like, get out of my house. Snowy's like, get out. Snowy's like, get out of my house. Get out of my property. Rocky just did that to Snowy's face. So funny.
Rocky went in there.
Oh, Rocky? No. Oh, Snowy's trying to ban Rocky, kick out Rocky from her house. You know, like, did you see Rocky like slap Snowy into face?
Yeah.
That was so funny. There's my dad.
That's why I told that.
There's my dad.
Right.
We got the stuff over there. They would probably do that. No, so they actually can keep that's probably their playhouse.
Yeah.
Their playhouse.
There they go.
Oh, no, Rocky's like, you're shorter.
So.
Oh, Rocky's pouncing. Oh, like. Oh, Rocky's back up on there. She says, I'm looking for my Martin Nevis's. My enemy. Well, my best friend. My BFF.
Rocky's gonna jump down.
It's at 5:25.
You can stop it whenever.
Okay. I'm gonna do probably like until.
Yeah, wait till it jumps down there.